My, hello my friend and welcome to my channel. Today I've got Sinful colors, Clad and Plaid and Beauty Big Bang XL061. I've started off with Nailtiques Formula 2 as my base coat. And here is Sinful colors, Clad and Plaid. Beautiful red, nice cream. And I'm going to go in with my first coat. And I'm just going to give y'all a heads up. This video and another one is going to be, I'm going to make a little bit more of a mess than normal. I have a jacked up shoulder and I just had to paint my nails anyway. So I always say I share everything and this is part of that. My shoulder is better by now, by the way. But it's, you know, I have rheumatoid arthritis, so occasionally I have a flare up. Hi Woody, how you doing? He says he's doing good. He's doing pretty good. But like I said, every once in a while I have a flare up and it kind of messes me up. But I wanted to go to my happy place and paint my nails. I needed something new on my nails, shoulder hurting or not. But I just wanted y'all to know what was going on in case I do anything crazy in this video or the next one. So there we go with that cleanup brush. I'm getting a little finicky with it. And I'm going to go in with my second coat. And I will admit that due to the shoulder ache, this is not the cleanest, straightest manicure I've ever done. Still don't get up by the cuticles very well, but whatever. I'm going to top it with some Poshe top coat, get it sealed down, dry, so that we can do some stamping. I really did like this bright red color though. It was kind of like an orangey red, but I really liked it. I don't wear shades like this often. So I decided when I was looking through my bin of untrieds, I thought, well, this one would be a good one to go. Just do it. Just slap it on there. I am putting on my Burt's Bees Cuticle cream around my fingertips. I use a little brush. One of those old elf brushes that used to be a cleanup brush but got destroyed kind of. So I recycled it into a cuticle cream brush. Here's the Beauty Big Bang XL061, and this has just got like a lot of wording and letters and kind of like back to school. It's got the alphabet. So I'm gonna peel that blue film off real quick. Give this plate a wipe down with some acetone. You never know if they're sticky. And then a paper towel. And now we're ready to go. I've got my monocle stamper and my beauty scraper out. I've also got the Nicole Diary NS01 and NS02. I end up having to change this one out because I'm like out. I end up having to trade it for another black here in just a little bit. So today I'm going to do some white stamping after, see I'm dropping stuff because I told you that shoulder ain't right. Excuse me. And but I'm doing the white stamping first, and then I'm going to do the same image in black over top of it. This was kind of like my back to school manicure. Not that I'm going to school or even have any youngins in school. I just, you know, I figured the red, white, and black kind of with some kind of school theme would pass for a back to school manicure. And I am so sad that I am out of this Nicole Diary black stamping polish because it is a really good one. Next time I place an order, I will have to get me some more. So I got to figure out how to line it up, which direction I was in. Kind of hard to see, a lot going on. But I did pretty good. I off-centered it. And now I'm going to use this tree with all the letters in it. I thought it was really cute. Of course, with as short as my nails are, I don't get very much of the bushy tree part, but I wanted the like trunk, and I just gonna get what I get. And there we go. Now I'm gonna do it in black. I don't know, I might have just enough to make it out of this manicure with my Nicole Diary black. It's just, yeah, I think I might have enough to get through this manicure because I'm only doing 3 nails today. So here we go. We're gonna try to line it up. There we go. Pretty good job on that one. Digging it. I'm going to use a piece of tape to get up this excess off of my finger. all the way around. It's coming up really well. Go from Messy Marvin to, look at that, it's pretty good. So I decided to use this like quill pen. I guess that's what it is. Feather pen. I'm going to use that on another nail. I am going to get some of this excess image off of here that I don't want. And I'm going to put that across my middle nail. I just thought it was cute. Such a cute image. I just had to use it. And then we're going to do just like the other ones. And we're going to top it with the black. There we go. Yeah, you definitely want to get the excess off so you don't end up with that on your nail when you don't want it. And there we go. Ta-da! So that is it pretty much. We're going to put some of the IMK Peel Ease as a top coat that doesn't smear. And then once it's completely dry, I'm going to top it with the Fast and Hard from Vibrant Vinyls. And we're going to call this one Ta-Done. I really did like this one. I wanted to leave a couple of nails open with just that color. Such a pretty cherry red. There we go. So here's my swatch photo. I hope you enjoyed this one. Leave me a comment. Let me know what you think about it. As always, I want to thank you for watching. And until next time, be good to yourself.